Good morning and welcome to online class. Day 17, class 6, subject social studies. Yes, lesson 2.1. Lesson name is Our Festival. Yes, we are studying that about our festivals. In previous class also I had explained you about festivals. Yes, Bardosai, Tihar, Chhath. Yes, and today I am going to explain you about Udauli and Ubauli Parva. Yes, who follow these religions? Yes, how we celebrate with this religion? Yes, today I will explain you. Yes, uh, the people of Rai community follow this Udauli and Ubauli Parva. Yes, these religions who follow Kirat religions follow this Ubauli and Udauli. Yes, they according to Muddam, this festival is divided into two seasons. Yes, one Udauli and next is Ubauli. Yes, in first season Udauli and therefore they worship nature twice before crop. Yes, before planting crops and at the harvesting time. Yes, they worship twice a year. Yes, वर्षमा दुईचोटी गर्छन् एकचोटी चाहिँ रोप्दाखेरि एकचोटी चाहिँ काट्दाखेरि चाहिँ के गर्छन् त तिनीहरुले प्रे गर्छन्. Yes, and they also this is known as Sakila. Yes, they worship nature for good crops. Yes, good crops and protection of their crops from natural climate such as flood, landslide. Yes, उनीहरुले चाहिँ के गर्छन् त वर्शिप गर्छन्. फूड चाहिँ के होस् त क्रप्स के होस् त गुड होस् भनेर राम्रो होस् भनेर के गर्छन् त प्रे गर्छन्. Yes, same like that they worship for that their crops, please save that their crops from natural climates like flood. Yes, landslide. Yes, and other things. Yes, soil erosion. They also perform bhumi puja for this. र उनीहरुले चाहिँ आफ्नो क्रप्सहरु राम्रो होस् धेरै राम्रोसँग फलोस् भनेर के गर्छन् त उनीहरुले भूमि पूजा गर्छन्, भूमिलाई पूजा गर्छन्. Yes, and Ubauli and Ubauli is celebrated during Baisakh Shukla Purnima. Ubauli कहिले मनाइन्छ त वैशाख शुक्ल पूर्णिमा को दिनमा के गरिन्छ त मनाइन्छ भने Udauli is celebrated during Mangshir Shukla Purnima. Yes, we can see here Vaishakh Shukla Purnima we celebrate Ubauli and Mangshir Shukla Purnima we celebrate what? Udauli Parva. Yes, during this festival the Kirati priest perform Cholo Puja at home and Chandithan, Makarathon and Makhim etc. Yes, यतिखेर चाहिँ उनीहरुलाई सबै के गर्छन् त पूजा गर्छन्. Same like that besides performing puja people celebrate this festival eating delicious food. Yes, dancing in a group, making circle. Yes, उनीहरुले चाहिँ के गर्छन् यो दिनमा चाहिँ मिठो मिठो खानाहरु बनाएर खान्छन् र ग्रुपमा के गर्छन् त डान्स गर्छन् एउटा सर्कल. Yes, we can see these things in television also. Yes, हामीले चाहिँ टिभीहरुमा पनि यो कुराहरु हेर्न सक्छौं. Yes, in making yes they also enjoy this festival among their family member and friends and relatives also. Yes, Udauli and Ubauli Parva. Yes, and we complete this chapter here. Yes, we had studied many festival in this chapter. Yes, our festival, this topic is our festival and we had studied many related topics here. Yes, our festival, what is the main festival? Yes, we had studied about Losar. Yes, about Dasai, Christmas, Buddha Jayanti. Yes, Dasai, Tihar, Chhath. Yes, Buddha Jayanti, Christmas. Yes, these all festivals we had studied here. In Dasai is celebrated by Hindu. Yes, Buddhism. Losar is celebrated by Buddhist. Yes, and same like that is celebrated by Muslim. Same like that, Udauli and Ubauli is celebrated by Rai, yes, Rai and Limbu, yes. These all festivals are very important for us, yes. हामीलाई यो फेस्टिभलहरु एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ. डिफरेंट रिलिजन्स बाट आएको छ. हामीले डिफरेंट फेस्टिभलहरु चाहिँ हामी के गर्छौं त सेलिब्रेट गर्छौं, yes. This is very important for us. Same like that, in book there is given here meaning, yes. Look here, here is given meaning and please learn this meaning. Here are I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 meaning is here. Please learn this meaning because this meaning is very important for us. If we know this word, we can easily study and about this chapter. यदि हामीले यो मिनिङ चाहिँ हामीलाई लर्न भयो भने चाहिँ हामीले यो च्याप्टर इजिली स्टडी गर्न सक्छौं. यो च्याप्टर हामीले इजिली बुझ्न सक्छौं. यस, लर्न दिस मिनिङ. क्रोल, यस. enthusiasm, incense, yes. Rejoice, germinate, illuminate, delicious, liquid and devotee. Here is this meaning. Please learn this meaning and today I will give you some tasks and please complete your tasks, okay? This is your task. Yes, please complete your task. Who celebrated Ubauli and Udauli? Yes, who celebrated? Just I have explained you that. Yes, right. Community celebrate Ubauli and Udauli. Yes, write down the similarities of different festival. There are I think 2-3 similarities. Yes, that everyone enjoy this festival. Yes, different festival. They cook delicious food. Yes, they call relatives, friends in their home. Yes, they worship their God and they went to visit their holy places. These all are similar in different festivals. Yes, same like that. Describe the following in one sentence. Here is given some word, yes, and describe in one sentence in one line. Yes, Sakila, Hijri, Ramzan, yes, Santa Claus. You can describe this in one sentence. For example, Ramzan. This is celebrated by Muslim, yes, for 1 month. Yes, and you can also describe that they worship their God. Yes, and they pray. They do fast for 1 month. Yes, 1 महिनासम्म चाहिँ उनीहरु भोकै बसेर यो रमजान मनाउँछन्. Yes, घाम उदाउनु भन्दा अगाडि नै खान्छन् र घाम अस्ताएपछि बल खान्छन्. Yes, you can explain here. Yes, and please complete this task. Yes, and we complete this topic. Yes, this chapter in next class I will teach you about our national glory. Yes, in next class I will teach you this topic. And for today, this much. Yes, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.